In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Whop account. If you've decided that you no longer want to use your Whop account, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to the Whop homepage and make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. Starting from the homepage is helpful because it gives you direct access to your account menu and settings. If you're not already logged in, sign in first before moving to the next step. Once you are on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Whop keeps your personal account options. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a second to fully load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. After opening the profile menu, click the settings icon. This will take you into the area where you can manage your account preferences and security options. Settings pages can sometimes contain a lot of different categories, so take your time and make sure you're selecting the right one. From there, click on Account Security. This section is where Whop places important controls related to your account, including the option to permanently remove it. If you're being cautious, this is also a good moment to pause and make sure deleting the account is really what you want, since account deletion may affect your access to purchases, communities, or saved information connected to that profile. Once you're inside account security, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, you'll find the delete account option. Click on delete account to continue. At this point, Whop may show an additional confirmation prompt to make sure you actually want to go through with deleting the account. Read anything on the screen carefully before confirming, because this kind of action is often permanent or difficult to reverse. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete your Whop account. Open the Whop homepage, click your profile icon, go into settings, select account security, scroll to the bottom, and choose delete account. If you're following along in real time, just move slowly and double check each page before clicking the final option. That way, you can be confident you're removing the correct account.